Demon Fang! I'm ready! Shield!
This one's got your name on it!
Ashes to ashes! It's go time!
They just keep coming!
This thing's putting us through our paces.
This one's mine!
I'm nearly done for.
Annihilation! Far enough! Radiant light! Here! Shining Supernova! Raging Cascade!
Double Demon Fang!
Healing Circle! Get out of
Okay,
there with the
here I
enemy!
go.
I'm all shut down!
Hurricane Thrust!
Annihilation! It's
Burn in hell!
showtime!
Thrilling performance. Hurricane
Annihilation!
Thrust!
Sleep
Hurricane
Annihilation! More
I'll grind you into dust! Try harder!
Healing Circle! Not in your dreams!
Anything in armor is all mine.
Thanks for the healing. Watch yourself, okay? Yeah, you too.
Luna Rosa! Rising Phoenix!
Healing Circle!
Double Demon Fang!
It looks like you got this one covered.
No further!
Thanks so much. Radiant Pierce!
Begin! Double
Raging
Demon Fang!
Leor! Fury! Burning Leaf Water! Here's your blood call!
The flame inside me yearns to be let free!
Got it!
Denied.
Now's our chance!
Double Demon!
Let the marksman handle!
Being interrupted!
Radiant Pierce!
Double Demon Fang!
This one's mine!
Pieces. Attack time.
Bloody howling!
I'll bring you back from Death's Abyss!
Inferno Torrent!
Resuscitation!
Now you see what I can do.
Double Demon Fang!
I'll still got some fight left.
Can't move!
Here, let me help.
This is my
First aid! I'll bring you back from Death's Abyss. This'll come in handy. Resuscitation! Here's a healing arc.
No
Mark
good.
it out! There! Hell's it! Mega Ray! By the power of water! Maybe show Kisara a little kindness, huh?
She is strong. She can handle herself.
You can be really dense, Dohalim.
They smite with blackened blade! Is this it?
I've still got fight left in me. Burning
Elusive deity!
Here goes!
Shattering
Ghost
Take this!
Now you see what I can do.
Holy Land!
Resonate with the earth!
I'll heal you all!
Double Demon Fang! Rending you apart!
Healing circle! Carve now through all!
Bloody howling!
Be careful not to overdo it.
I'm sorry. I'll do better.
I never miss!
Dance on the wind!
Mega Ray!
Try this! Reflect on thy sins. They smite
Leave the
with
enemy's
blackened
arc
blade.
to me.
Is this it? I couldn't make it in time.
Here.
Healing wind! In here! I'll bring you back from
Elusive
this way!
deity!
Shining
Soaring
Supernova!
blood!
Up and at 'em! Let's go! Air! Flame! Relax!
Nothing against my
In here!
Far enough. Now you see what I can do.
Down in there with
Now
my
we're not-
Gemini Aqua! Annihilation!
Can't get out of this!
Mega Ray! Lightning Orb! Do it! This ends now!
Consider yourself finished!
I like Astral Energy!
Burn! Heal! Double Demon Fang!
Circle! Here
Okay,
goes!
here I go! Double Demon Fang! Wide open! It won't escape me! Double Demon Fang! Bathed in blood, rending you apart! Bloody howling!
Another wave?
How long do we have to deal with this?
Bloody Double Demon Fang!
Illuminate the sun! They're all coming after me!
I'm coming, Linwell!
I'm not scared. I'm totally fine. Handle this.
Benediction light. Heal!
I'll crash you! Photon, illuminate the sun! Gemini Aqua! Into the wind! Air thrust!
This one's all mine! You picked the wrong
Here's a
fight!
healing arc! This one's
Try
mine!
harder!
Holy Land! I never miss! Far enough!
Double Demon
Hear
Fang!
my call! Illuminate the sun! Holy Grail! Glacial Spear! Pierce evil! Freeze Lancer! Illuminate the sun! Come forth! Holy Glimmer! Holy Land!
This should do it!
Radiant Pierce! Here, let me help! First aid!
What I do without you?
Perhaps
now isn't the time?
I really don't.
Here's a healing
Carve through armor!
Going in. First aid!
Down! You're
All
all
right, ready. I'm only getting started. Sleep now. Confiscated.
Double
Annihilation.
Demon Fang!
Lightning orb. Here. Banana.
Double Demon Fang! Not today!
Here.
Let me help! There are no interrupted!
Raging cascade. Hear me. Sleep now. This is
In a bind!
Double Demon
Field.
Fang!
Radiant blood.
Ready to go!
A banana. Let's go.
Is this it?
Illuminate the blah blah blah.
Don't leave me all alone here!
I've taken too much damage.
Igneous discharge!
Lightning
anything won't end like this.
Illuminate the dark. Come forth, holy land.
Guardian carved through armor! I'm ready to go!
down.
I'll finish you here and then bring you done! Watch it!
Not done yet!
The picture of hell!
No! It can't end here!
In a bind? Here we go again!
From beyond,
Imbue this vanquished soul with
Listen to it!
beyond! Imbue this vanquished soul!
Double Demon Fang!
That's gonna smart.
You'll pay for that!
Crescent Moon! The picture of hell!
Double Demon
Tiger
Fang!
Blade! Swallow Dance!
Double Demon Fang!
Anything in armor is all mine! Inferno Crossing!
Art expert coming through.
I can carve through armor! Damn it! How are we supposed to win this now?
This is only one storm. Our future will hold many more.
Not exactly inspiring.
Not done yet!
Dragon Shout! Swallow Dance! Guess I had to use it sometime. Where are you going? What's this?
Double Demon Fang!
I didn't think you had it in you.
Focus. There'll be time to congratulate me later.
Nothing much I can say to that.
How are your weapons?
See what happened there
Best
if you
not to
crossed.
give me any ideas.
Shouldn't have done that.
This ends now.
Consider yourself finished.
I'll bring you back from
Double
death to
Demon
this.
Fang! Burn!
I'm on it.
Double Demon Fang!
Watch this.
Healing circle.
I'm ready.
Astral energy. Full throttle. Mega ray. Let's go.
Deity.
Radiant here. Hold on to your arms. Here I come. I'm all stocked up.
I'll tear you. Take this.
Gemini
I'll smash you.
Catapult.
Ready to go. Swallow Dance.
Double
Far enough. Take this.
Down.
Elusive deity. Let's tear 'em up.
Bronze and red.
Take this.
I never
Side
miss.
is yours to be let free.
Eagle
Can you
Assault.
take it?
Think again.
Resonate with the earth. Inferno Turret! Is this what real pain feels like?
I'll tear watch it.
Ready
Make
to
it
go.
a gate fighter. Stalagmite. Sending you
Ready to
apart.
go. Here goes.
Bloody howling.
I'll bring you back from death to your dreams.
Benedict.
Resuscitation.
Here. I'll tear you
I'm
apart.
only getting started. Here's the healing art.
Faith and blood.
I bring you a Glimmer Dragon.
Mind the Phoenix!
This ends now.
Consider yourself finished.
I'll heal you all.
First strike!
I'll tear you
I'm
apart.
healing.
Double Demon Fang!
Into the fray.
Bloody howling. There you go. I feel like me again. Shattering the pieces. Attack time.
Prepare to be sealed.
this point, we're practically sitting ducks.
Alton, I've got this.
Right, I'll handle the rest. Shield!
Heads up, Alton.
This is our chance! A weak point? Double Demon Fang! Damn it! Looks like we're gonna have to take care of these first. It's on! Burn! Double Demon Fang! We did it.
Yeah, the astral energy is dispersing. It shouldn't cause any more problems.
That was harrowing. Now that we've taken care of that light.
Yeah,
You okay, Rinwell?
I'm fine. This whole thing just reminded me I'm a freak that doesn't belong on Dana or Rena.
I mean, sure. Maybe it's a little unusual that you can use magic. But if we're talking about unusual...
I didn't have memories, a face, or a sense of pain. Everyone called me and then on top of that, I was born over 300 years ago.
Join the club. I have my thorn. And Kisara believes Danans and Renans can live in peace.
And I used to work for the Snake Eyes, remember?
You guys.
Too much info.
Yeah, but Alphen, you do that thing where you grind your teeth.
I don't see how that's... Well, at least it's not as bad as when you...
When I what?
Whoa, guys! Why are we even arguing about this?
You're the one who made this weird.
Thanks, everyone. It makes me so happy to have such caring friends. I need to be better at not keeping this stuff bottled up. I know it's not good for me, but I'm gonna work on it. So don't worry about me, okay?
I wonder if she perceives being a mage to be a source of continual obligation.
Rinwell's pretty much the only one left. Sometimes I think it might have been easier for her to have just kept it hidden, but I guess that wouldn't solve much.
Indeed.
Crap!
Right. Hey. How?
Yeah.
Why you? Wait! What?
I see.
Huh?
Thanks.
Wait!
Huh? Really?
Good.
All right.
maybe it's not so bad being a mage. What matters is that I found people who accept me for who I am. As long as I have that, I think I'll be okay. And after everything they've done for me, I guess I can't say it matters if they're Renan or not either.
You're looking pretty content.
Yeah, I feel like life's taken a turn for the better all of a sudden.
Oh, that's good to hear. But why did you say you felt that way?
Oh, why can't you be more like Dohalim?